Hi dears, good morning to all. Standard 5th, Subject Science, Term 3. Unit 3, Air. Topic, Atmosphere. Session 6. Children, do you know about air? Yes, very good. Air is present everywhere around us. Though we cannot see it, we can feel it. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These gases act as an envelope around the earth and form the atmosphere. Okay cuties, today we are going to study about atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases which is called the atmosphere. It composed mainly of nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Other gases like carbon dioxide and argon comprise 1% of the atmosphere by volume. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the earth. It protects the earth from getting too cold or too hot. Atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. The layers from the bottom upwards are called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. First one is troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. From the sea level, it extends up to about 10 km. It is the densest layer and almost 75% of the air in the atmosphere is found in this layer. This layer also has water vapor. We live in the troposphere and most of the weather, clouds, rain, snow is found in this layer. All weather changes also occur in this layer. The second layer is stratosphere. It extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 km above the ground. Ozone layer found in this layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays which can cause damage to our skin and eyes. There is no water vapor in this layer. The temperature in this layer is around minus 550 degrees Celsius. The third layer is mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. It extends upward to a height of about 85 km from the ground. The temperature in this layer decreases with height and it is minus 1100 degrees Celsius. Most of the metals found in the sky burn in this layer. The fourth layer is thermosphere. The layer of very rare air above the mesosphere is called the thermosphere. It is found above the mesosphere. The fifth layer is exosphere. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. It lies between 400 to 1500 km above the earth. The air here is extremely thin. Okay cuties, next we study about importance of air. Air is important for all the living organisms. Without air, no life can exist on the earth. We take in oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. Plants in turn use carbon dioxide present in the air to produce their food. The gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen present in the air are important to us for many reasons. Let us study about the importance of air in this section. First one is water cycle. Water vapor present in the air is important for the formation of water cycle. Water from the water bodies such as rivers and oceans evaporates and becomes water vapor. This water vapor then forms the clouds. These clouds move to the land and get cooled to give us the rain. This movement of clouds is possible due to air. Next, supplies energy. We breathe oxygen present in the air and it is supplied to the cells in our body. Body cells burn the food molecules with the help of oxygen and produce energy. With this energy, we do all kinds of work. Next, sound travels through air. We hear many things from the surrounding and people hear what we speak. This is possible due to air because sound needs a medium to travel. Sound travels from the point to generation to the listener through air. Next, useful for plants. Nitrogen present in the air is useful for plants. The nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into easily absorbable nitrates by plants with the help of some microbes. It is known as nitrogen fixation. These nitrates are useful for the growth of plants. Also, air is helpful for the pollination of plants. Pollen grains travel from one plant to another plant through air. Thus, cross-pollination is achieved with the help of air. Next, transport. Movement of air is called wind. This is helpful for the ships and boats to sail on the water. Airplanes and helicopters travel through air. Next, sports. Paragliding is the recreational and competitive adventurous sport of flying. In this sports, pilot sits in a harness suspended below a fabric wing. Hang gliding is also an air sport or recreational activity in which a pilot flies a light non-motorized food-launched aircraft called hang glider. Paragliding and hang gliding are possible with the help of air. Other sports like windsurfing, kite surfing and sailing are also possible with the help of air. Next, parachutes and hot air balloons. Parachute and hot air balloons are used to land from above. In case of emergency, people use parachutes and come down slowly and safely with the help of air. The last one is wind energy. Air flows from a region of high pressure to low pressure. This flow of air at high speed is called wind. This wind is used to generate electric power with the help of windmills. Okay cuties, I hope you understand this topic well. Today's homework. Question number 1. What are the different layers of atmosphere? Question number 2. List the importance of air. Thank you all.